Oh, that's music box. What are you doing?
I have to.
What are you doing?
Now it's Chica.
What are you? I literally can't believe you just almost faded out.
What are you talking about?
You almost faded out.
Oh, okay.
I don't know where you just went right then. I felt like you let go of the steering wheel. Then I was by myself on a highway, and we were about to go off a bridge. Are you insane? You can't.
I'm pressing the wrong buttons. I'm sorry.
You can't do that again.
Okay. You go.
I don't know how to
You
do
got
it.
it.
I don't know how to do
Oh,
it.
that's what it's like.
Wait.
Oh, look, the music box going up, and don't turn
Wait,
away.
Actually, how do you take off the mask?
Yeah, this one.
God, you're. What the f***? Literally, what the f***? That was so awful. That was so awful.
This one.
I can't believe you just did that to me. I literally feel so betrayed. I feel like you almost went off a bridge and then you were like, I'm taking the keys. And you left me hanging. And you walked to the nearest town. And I was all by myself. And you took my wallet. And it's so cold. I have no jacket. I dressed up for the night. I have nothing. I have no protection.
Oh, no. Please don't hit me. I'm on my way to work. Oh, no. There's a pope on the road again. Oh, no. I got a cross, buddy. Oh. I didn't do anything.
Can I get a Nerf gun so I can put that in my mouth instead of this?
It's Nerf or it's nothing.
I tell you what, I had a soaked cigar last night. You catch my meaning.
I didn't
Quite
catch it.
so we don't catch it. So why don't you explain it to us in detail?
So there I was. Johnson in hand.
And cut. I love what you did.
Okay, good.
I love what you did.
Ah!
Yeah, can we just stick to the script this time? We're
Okay.
gonna do it one more time. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Nutridept. My favorite type of migraine med. Good?
Okay, cut. I didn't say cut, so
Okay,
we're still
cut.
rolling.
Cut,
Okay.
cut, cut.
Just do it again.
All right.
Stick to the script.
Got it.
Read the words
Got it.
that are right there. 3, 2, 1.
Nutridept. A migraine for men like me.
What- Did you look?
And
So bad A stands for ass and F stands for father.
bad
So it's bad ass, like bored as
Bitch behind you.
Look.
You're like, that logic doesn't make sense. I'm like, you're on the show.
bitch. Look. Bitch. Look.
Hey, okay, what are you doing out here?
I'm buttoning my jacket.
Why? I'm giving you a compliment. What's happening? Try not to laugh. A guy stands here. What is Shane doing? What is Shane doing?
Some guy stand there.
What a wild ride. This, I can't. Try not to laugh. Bystander needs to go away.
This really took a turn.
Get the fuck out!
Shane, you better be taking that costume off.
I've got it off.
No, he doesn't.
Save me! I'm begging you! He won't leave me! I filed a restraining order against this man and he won't go! The cop said I can't do anything because he's not harming me! He's just standing there!
That was something. You, tall boy. Wrong vowel. Why were you shaking? You. And then finally, right behind, we have one last contestant.
My tits just deflated. Well, damn it. How am I going to continue this journey?
How am I supposed to breastfeed
How am I
my
supposed to
12-year-old son? The air's not good in the mines and he needs the mother's milk.
How am I supposed to breastfeed my 12-year-old son who sleeps in the bed with me, might I say?
Okay.
Listen, we don't need to award men any more than we already do.
Whoa.
Whoa. That was wild.
This has been my last Smosh Games video.
That.
Look what I did. Look what I did. Where is he? Get the f away! You're gonna finally say something to me? What are you trying to tell me? It says I drew you.
Is there a problem here?
You're sick fuck!
Ma'am,
He won't leave me alone!
this looks like you, ma'am. We're gonna have to take you in for questioning.
No, it's him! It's him! I swear to God!
Crazy,
I
man.
can't!
Also, I was told to give this to you.
I swear to fucking God. Look at. Shut the f up! I'm not okay with this bit anymore! This is the end of the trilogy! This is the end of the story! No more! I don't want you! You're not welcomed!
Ma'am, please keep down your voice.
We're done! I swear to God, you're gonna come haunt me in my dreams! I swear to God, if you show up again, I'm gonna literally punch you in the balls! Yeah! Now you're scared, huh?
And she would just be like, she would just have like a sort of, not a needle, but
I have
just
not
something
laughed
sharp.
in like 5 minutes.
You're such a piece
I
of
just
shit.
kind of wanted to talk
You
about
are
this.
such a piece of shit. Have you ever touched a woman?
Can we ask that on the podcast?
Yeah, I just did.
Amanda's allowed to ask.
Okay, guys, say your body.
Thanks, Shane.
Say your body count on 3.
Oh, God.
How did we get down this path?
Amanda's body count at Dunkin' alone.
I
Amanda worked in the restaurant business, dude. That shit was probably crazy.
Yes, it was. Okay, here we go. Not overthinking it, keeping it simple. There's 2 words.
Okay. Oh, you're going for 2 points?
Two categories. Toys and love languages. It's called a dilmo.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, let me hear it. You're
It's
so
a-
close.
It's a dildo just for mummies.
How did you f it
How
up?
did you do that?
It was so good.
How is
It's a dildo just for men. It's a dildo just for women named Mary.
Or Mo.
Hold on. It's a dildo just, hold on. It's a dildo
just for women named Mary.
It's a dildo just for women named Maureen.
You got me weeping.
Guys,
Like I'm
It's-
grieving
it's-
over the loss of
hear
this
me
game
out.
because
Hear me out. That's
shit,
what's cool
dude.
about this product is that it works for a lot of different people.
You just said it works only for Maureen.
Well, Mary or Maureen can get it, and mommies can get it. Get in your votes.
I can't support this anymore.
What the? What did you guys want it to be? What did you want? Tell me what you wanted dildo to be. Huh?
Okay.
Tell me.
I wanted
you
it to
said
be
it was-
a dildo that looks like Elmo.
That's wrong.
I just don't understand why you tied
That-
in love languages.
yeah, love languages didn't make sense.
Whoa!
Love
What?
language.
Baby, come to the bedroom. Nee.
Get a gun out.
For Maureen.
Baby, turn around. Don't look around. Don't look around.
Like a gun.
Put your hands up. Wouldn't come to the
Dildo,
bedroom.
it's a gun that fires dildos.
Guys, it's a lovely. Your love language is like.
Dude, what?
I think at the next meeting I'm gonna pitch like a big hook. That like I can be offering with him, pull one of you guys out.
That's awesome.
And who would that be?
Who's getting pulled out? Who's getting
I
pulled
would
out?
pull Amanda out.
Amanda's getting pulled.
No.
Because of Dilmo?
We connect her to a fly bar.
So I've only heard one.
Just like,
Wait, I'm not done. It was really impressive.
thank you.
I couldn't have done that.
Oh, Angela.
No! This is really funny. Welcome to Bit City. What's your f***ing name? A freak like you would like that. Get out of here.
Sex in the City.
Wait. Oh. Do you identify as a Carrie or a Charlotte?
You're being weird.
I'm just trying to like bridge the gap here. Call me.
No.
Maybe if I like him, he'll leave. And that's from my personal life.
Sorry.
What? You do. She hit you.
No, she didn't.
She didn't?
She simply.
Someone throw me the burrito, goddammit! Somebody throw me the burrito, goddammit! This is not fair! This is not fair, mate! This is not fair! Somebody throw me the burrito! I didn't know we could beat in this game.
Oh my God.
Yeah? I've been beaten on the ground.
You were to be punished as a boy.
Are you just saying names of things?
Are we still talking about small penises?
We can go back to it. What's the smallest piece you've ever seen?
This is crazy.
See, I feel like we could actually get Amanda to talk about this on the podcast.
Yeah.
We'll talk about the
I had an assumptions in real life, that's for sure.
Oh.
Guys, it doesn't mean it's the end of the world. It just
bring
means
3 guys into your apartment. You
buzzkill.
Buzzkill?
It doesn't mean it's the end of the world. It just means like, whoop, dried.
What was that? What was that? What was that? Your vagina was out and then it came back?
Insane thing you've ever said, Amanda.
How's Smosh doing? 2024? That's like the future.
Are we retired? What did we do? Did we finally get jobs?
You can't say the R word.
I don't know. I think you could still say it.